So hi everyone, my name is Enver and today we're going to learn about how to make a game in Replit. So this is what my brother did. He just helped me. So this is what he did. I'll explain. Import Pygame. That you see all these Pygame SYS and random. Those are libraries. So I don't know what this is, but here is. So I'll explain this. Screen width means making the screen bigger. Screen height, the height, how tall it is. Player ball size, the size is small and the ball small. The ball is very small. Color ball size, it can be any color like blue, red, and all those colors, orange. And speed player, I forgot that. And I forgot these number colors or whatever it is. So here is a color ball. Here is the ball of the color. White, black, green, red. No. This is the one. Blue, red, blue, yellow, purple, orange, and this color. I don't know what that is. And here is a color list. Red, blue, yellow, purple, and orange, and this color. So this is what my brother did the whole. This is what my brother did the whole thing. So if I just run this code, it just shows me the game. And you can make it bigger like this. No, not like that. Like this. Between it. So you do that and then do that. That's why I make it bigger. And you see this green ball? Just move it with these keyboard arrows. Like this. And if you just catch like that, you just get more balls. And if you get up to 100, you win. So every time if you catch a ball and the ball doesn't come, it creates more balls. And then if you wait for a minute, it comes more ball like this. So I'm waiting, right? I'm waiting. The ball will come after, and it'll just disappear. It'll just come. It'll just appear out of nowhere. So you'll see how it appears. First, I'm doing nothing. You see this orange ball? I'm doing nothing. Yeah. See, I'm just moving it. And if I just wait for a while and moving this ball, it will just create more balls. So that's how it works. So thank you everyone for listening my video. Feel free if you have any questions. I hope you like it, and bye.